the same time, it's a documentary. Yeah, can you say something about that?
Yes, so the island of Santiago, it's a really special island in the archipelago because it's the first island where slaves came. So it's why it's the first place where people live there, and they are dark because they came from Africa, and the other islands after were totally different, and the population are different, and there are a lot of different history for all the other islands. So Santiago, and it's why maybe Batuk, the translation were sometimes very bad. So sorry for that, but we have to say Batuku and not Batuk or something like that. But
so it's Batuku.
Batuku or Batuko. Yes,
okay.
You can say. So it's only on this island that you have Batuk. And so it's really the opposite of Cesaria Evora music, for example. You can, if you know well Cesaria Evora, you can see the very big difference. So I don't put the subtitles for the lyrics of the Batuku because it's very difficult. But I know that it's sometimes shame because it's just metaphor and a lot of images. So when we translate, you can't understand. So I decided to let just the bodies and the dance, and it's okay. But when we translate the lyrics, it's very interesting to understand that it's the lyrics, the words are very different from other islands and from Cesaria Evora. So I don't know if I can translate in English, but one of my friend, Clementina Furtado, who was the first assistant, we can say that in English.
Yeah.
She said that Cesaria Evora, the Saint Vincent island on the north, it's like my love's is gone. I'm very sad. It's a very with saudade, nostalgic effect. But in Santiago is maybe you will translate, espèce de connard, tu m'as quitté, tu es un salaud.
Asshole, you left me, you stupid. You know.
I wanted him to say that.
So you didn't want to say it, so yeah.
So it's through that there is a very big difference. I went on the other islands, not all the, because there is a lot, 10 islands. But Santiago, it's the most African. They say that it's an African island, and it's true that you can see.
What's the population approximately?
From Senegal, from Guinea.
Le nombre.
Excuse me.
La population.
It's not a lot of people. I think it's 1 million. But you know, a lot of half of the population of Cape Verdean are overseas, abroad.
In
so
the US,
it's in US, in Boston, it's a big community.
Right.
And
Providence, Rhode
1
Island,
million.
Fisherman.
Oh, that particular island, what's the population?
Santiago. That's what she says. She doesn't know exactly.
1 million?
It'd be less. It'd be
1 million. Quoi?
no, peut-être 100,000, 200,000.
On this island,
Yes. Yeah.
All the Cape Verde, it's 1 million, and this
little
island, it's 300,000.
300,000, somewhere around there.
Something like that.
Okay.
It's not a lot of people.
And what's the distance of the size of the island?
Oh, it's not very far. I think from the south to the north is